Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and I'm bringing y'all along after I've done started the dinner because I just forgot. I've just had so much on my mind. My mom died last Saturday, and this week has just been really bad week. So I am doing what I can. I'm fixing dinner for my daughter and her friend, and Kylie and Camden and Ashley and I. And so what I wanted to do is I've got 2 pounds of pinto beans in the in the Ninja Foodie on pressure, cooking those. I've got them on 40 minutes, and I used the broth base. I went to get my fat meat, and it had gotten bad. This is the second time now that I've gotten fat meat from Kroger, and the date on it was in May of 2020. So anyway, I didn't have anything else, so I'm using this broth base and seasoning, chicken flavored, and then I put about 9 or 10 cups of water in there, and salt, right much salt and pepper. I used kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper. All right, and I've got that in the Ninja Foodie on the pressure cooker. And now, hold on. Oh, excuse me. Now I'm getting ready to put this in the oven. This is 11 hamburger patties, and they're, I don't know, I can't show you because I started pouring the stuff on there, and I said, gosh, I need to show y'all this. So what I have done is I have got in this bowl, I've already poured half of it on there. In this bowl, I've got a pint jar of my mushrooms. I canned mushrooms with onion soup mix and last year, and so I've got 1 can of those in there of my mushrooms. Then I've got a can of cream of celery soup and a can of cream of mushroom soup and 1 of those cans of water. And I'm pouring all this over the ground beef. Well, it's ground chuck actually, but it's 11 patties. It's 6 of us, so I figured they're little patties, so I went on and fixed 11. And I'm going on and getting this done, putting all of it in here. And then what I'm going to do is I've got a stick of butter, not margarine, and I'm going to cut the butter into patties. Oh, I've salted and peppered these hamburgers really good. I used iodized sea salt on here, and let's see, you can't see it, but I have the Alessa whole peppercorns right there. I absolutely love that. So now I'm going to take a stick of butter, and I'm going to put pats all on top of this. I'm going to put it in the oven. I've got the oven preheating to 375, and I'm going to cook it for an hour. So I've got other things that I'm fixing, and I'm making some mashed potatoes, and I'm really not sure, but when the meal gets ready, and I will bring you back and let you see what I've made for us. Okay, I'm back. All right, yesterday I forgot. Everybody came in, they fixed their plate, and they ate, and I forgot to make a plate yesterday. But you can see I had leftovers. I have plenty of leftovers. There's the potatoes. Here's the hamburger steak, and back here's the big bowl of the pinto beans. Anyway, I've got some mashed potatoes on my plate, some pinto beans, and 1 hamburger steak. This is an 8-inch plate, so the servings are pretty little. And then right here, this is my favorite. I do this all the time. And this is cucumbers, onions, and onions in vinegar with salt and pepper. I just love them. Sometimes I put tomatoes in there, but I didn't in this batch. And then, of course, I've got some applesauce with this. I've got the chunky... No, it's not. This is original applesauce from Aldi's. Anyway, yesterday I had right much gravy left with the hamburger ground chuck, or the hamburger patties or whatever, and all the soups that I put on them, and my mushrooms. And then I had a lot of gravy left, so I had some rolls, and we took the rolls and got gravy on the rolls, and then some put gravy on the mashed potatoes. And also, I want to show you, let me turn this around so you can see better. See, here's the mushrooms and stuff from the hamburger steak. These cooked for an hour in the oven on 375, and then after about 30 minutes, I cut it down to 350. And these were absolutely the best mashed potatoes that I have ever made. Oh my gosh, they were so good. There's a big piece of mushroom in with my potatoes. There's my pinto beans. They cooked on for 40 minutes under pressure. Then I let them sit for 10, and then let the pressure off of them. And they are so good, so soft, perfect. And I always cook my pinto beans in the pressure cooker with salt. I can't even imagine making pinto beans without salt in them. So these definitely have the salty taste. It does not make them hard. It does not do anything like that to them. They are just amazing. There, I've got some mushrooms on with the beans on my fork. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So this is what my children and my grandchildren had to eat yesterday. And I always, as usual, made a ton. So I'd have leftovers this weekend. So Ashley took a plate home to her daughter, and she ate with us, and everybody liked it. Everybody thought it was good. And I'm going to get off here, and I'm going to eat my lunch now. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. And also, there are links below to things that I use in my kitchen that you may want to purchase on Amazon. There's no extra charge. I do make a few pennies off of it. It's not very much. I think it's like 1% or something off of the things. That some have different percentages, but I think the highest is like 4% off of it. They don't charge you more. I just get a percentage of the selling price because I have brought you to Amazon. So, like I said, I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.